What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Oregon. Out. Today we're exploring off the SANTIAM Pass. Gonna see some lakes, some waterfalls. Let's go explore Oregon today. What amazing clouds we got out here this morning on the drive out along the highway. Jefferson, Black Butte, Thyssen, Mount Washington, and the Three Sisters. Early Sunday morning. Beautiful views. Quick stop over here on the Metolius River. Mount Jefferson over there. The beautiful river. And the head of where it all comes from. Great Valley. And Mount Washington right there. Oh, there's a downed tree up there, so just don't want to deal with this stuff. I'm just gonna park probably and add a little bit to the walk. Here we go on a short little walk because didn't want to run over trees or anything like that. Looks like some other people actually walked it as well because this is the road right here. Doesn't look like a road, but this is the road. A little waterfall coming into the main creek here. A spring one coming out of the ground. After about an hour looking, made it to the falls finally. Nice falls here. Right along the highway here. Here we are at a beautiful lake. It was a hard hike out here. Deep snow. It's just so amazingly fun to walk through deep snow in shorts. Whew, it's cold out here today. Oh. But we got beautiful little flakes here on the lake. Doesn't look that thick of ice. So yeah. See, some of this ice looks thin over here. Let's see how good it is. Looks a little wet. There's a crack right there. Yep. Just made a crack. We are able to make just a little crack out here. Nothing too major. Someone went ice fishing here, it looks like, almost. So the ice does seem to be holding up pretty well. A couple cracks here and there, but it's honestly not that bad. So we gotta do some ice skating out here. Alright, so why is there just this random snow pile out here in the middle of the ice? I don't know. It's weird. Is it wet under here? Or maybe there's ground? Ooh, there are some plants. That's why. We got a little island out here. Some ice. With a view of the lake. Some air bubbles right there. Obviously we're gonna have to stomp it. Ooh. Can we not, like, create a crack in this ice? Seriously, I want to get in. Look at that crack. I mean, it almost seems like it's impossible just to completely crack the ice. Like, you can create marks and stuff. You can crack it a little, but not fully. Here we go. I found a little patch right here of unfrozen water. Dang. The ice is pretty strong. Whoops. That hole just got a little bigger. How is... Wasn't me. It's that guy. That other guy that's not out there. Oh. What is this? Are you serious? It's a huge puddle. It's a deep. Out on the Metolius this time. We're out here grilling some shrimp on the Barbie out here on the Metolius River this afternoon. It's gonna be a nice lunch out here today. Great Springs. And there's some kayakers on the Metolius today. Rough day. Downstream on the Metolius now with the beautiful turquoise water, the amazing springs coming into the river. It's a, amazing place here on the Metolius.